Mother's Day, Ma. Magdaya ka sa permente. I love you.
Sige pa.
Hi, Ma. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. Thank you always.
Mother's Day, Mama!
I wish we were here with us. Thank you for taking care of us when we are little.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama! We miss you so much po. We love you. I wish you were here right now po. Thank you for being a sweet and loving and a good mom. Love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. I am blessed to have a wife like you, a partner in life. Thank you for being a good mother, good mom sa ating mga anak. Salamat ng marami. And thank you, and I love you. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Mahal ka namin nila, Ading. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day po sa inyo. Happy Mother's Day din sa iyo, Ma. Ingat kayo dyan palagi. I love you.